name Bhakti Sarvasva Govinda Maharaj. Previously his name was Satya Govinda Brahmachari. Being liven by Srila Prabhupada of Siddhanta Saraswati. And he is very simple. He has no any demands. And he took sannyas from our Guru Maharaj by the order of Srimati Radharani. One day Radharani came in his dream and she was telling, he should go immediate to Bhakti Pramod Yoshima Maharaj and take sannyas. Then he took sannyas from Guru Maharaj and as per his instruction, Radharani in his dream he gave sannyas name. Sannyas name is Bhakti Kinkar Keshav.
आगे बोलिए नहीं नवरा 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 शासन करने कृष्ण करने इनके काम आदि के काम
Radharani came in his dream. That time he was not able to take sannyas. And after that Radharani forced him, go immediately and take sannyas. Then he came to Guru Maharaj at Mayapur and he took sannyas. Maharaj, কখন সন্ন্যাস নিয়েছিলেন? But I also not remember him because I made his younger.
You made his younger?
But he has no any demand. He has no any demand.
নাম ভক্তি কিন্তু কেশব রাধারানী দিয়েছিলেন সেটা হলো না কেন গোবিন্দতা
I don't know. Maharaj ji. Maharaj ji. Srila Prabhupada named Satya Govinda. Guru Maharaj don't want to change the Srila Prabhupada's name. That's why Guru Maharaj gave him name Bhakti Sarvasva Satya Govinda.
উনি যখন প্রথম এসেছিলেন এবং গুরুমাজি বলেছিলেন যে ব্যবসা করেছেন শ্রীমতী রাধারানী স্বপ্নাদেশ প্রাপ্তদের সন্ন্যাস দিচ্ছেন
উনি বলেছেন
তাহলে দুজন গোবিন্দ একই নাম
Radharani is very dearest to him. He was school teacher of Bhaktivinoda Institute in Mayapur school. That is the Prabhupada Siddhanta Saraswati Board. In that school he was a teacher. At the time of his Brahmachari life, he was school teacher. Service and he was assistant of Guru Maharaj. Guru Maharaj is secretarial job. He was the Guru Maharaj. That's why he liked Guru Maharaj so much. তাই তো মহারাজ আপনি তো আমার মহারাজের অ্যাসিস্ট্যান্ট ছিলেন কোন জায়গায়?
হ্যাঁ আমি কবি দেখতাম এখন তুই দেখতাম হ্যাঁ সত্যি সত্যি
মাধব সীতা শরণ মন্ত্র You read and then,
Agacha.
huh?
Agacha.
Agacha.
Agacha. I told you I cannot teach. So please.
And then you read,
Agacha. Kayana. Tamam. Priyavi. Saha. Keshav. Divya. Pushpadia.
so Madhav was taking it up. You read the word?
Keshav.
You know nothing about it.
Divya. Pushpadia. Sajvayam.
Sajja, on a sleeping place. Sleeping place with a pool of flower. The meaning.
Sukham. Virahamala.
Sukham Virahamala. First class.
Because I'm making so
First
much
class.
mistake.
No question mistake. You are still engineer. Your educational qualification higher than me.
No.
I am junior. Here.
Yeah, you can joke with me. There is no problem.
I am your.
ওনার কি ইয়ে আছে নাকি ওনার কি ঠাকুর আছে নাকি হ্যাঁ ঠাকুরে কি করে
Gopal. Okay, this is the one.
And then she can bring for to you.
If she think I am suitable, then
Yes, she thinks.
if she think I am not suitable, who is suitable? She will bring to her.